In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paper trade on Etoro quickly and easily. Whether you're a beginner, just dipping your toes into the world of investing, or an experienced trader looking to test out new strategies without risking real money. Paper trading is an invaluable tool. Etoro offers a seamless way to practice your trading skills using a virtual portfolio. And today, I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to visit the Etoro website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.etoro.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a host of features displayed on their homepage, designed to make investing accessible and intuitive. Before you can start paper trading, you need to log in to your Etoro account. Look for the Login button at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Enter your account credentials to proceed. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up by following their straightforward registration process, which includes verifying your email. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Etoro homepage. This is your control center, where you'll be able to view market trends, track your favorite assets, and, of course, switch over to paper trading mode. Now, let's focus on making that transition to virtual trading. Head over to the settings by looking for the relevant menu or tab that says Settings or Portfolio. This might vary slightly based on updates and whether you're using their web version or the app. Now, you should see an option labeled Switch to Virtual. Click on this option. By doing so, you'll activate a virtual portfolio funded with $100,000 of demo money. This means you now have access to a balance that you can use to simulate real trading scenarios. It's a fantastic opportunity to experiment with different investment strategies, from stocks to cryptocurrencies, without any financial risk. In this virtual environment, feel free to explore all the features at your disposal. Think of it as a sandbox where you can practice various trading actions, such as buying, selling, and analyzing the markets, all in real time. Remember, while this is a virtual balance, the prices reflect actual market movements, allowing you to gain hands-on experience. To switch back to real trading, simply follow the same process and select Switch to Real to view your actual portfolio and trade with real funds. Until then, maximize your usage of this demo account to refine your trading skills. That's it. You're now ready to leverage Etoro's virtual trading mode effectively. Whether you're testing strategies or trying out new assets, this tool is a great way to enhance your investing acumen without the financial stress. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!